Hey guys, it's Floki with the Crypto Foundry, and I'm here with a short video comparing fundamental analysis with technical analysis. So let's get started. So what is fundamental analysis? Well, basically it's the measure of a security's value by examining certain factors, including, but not limited to, earnings, interest rates, the economic reality, both global and domestic, the competitor market, the competitor's performance and position on the market versus the stock you want to trade, inflation, and future growth. As you can see, they all seem to be pretty simple, but most of these probably you're going to have to do a lot of research and every specific stock that you're going to be looking at. So, which leads us to the technical analysis, which is a measure of the security's strength and momentum by assuming a few things. This is my favorite one, by the way. Price already factors in fundamental analysis. So at any given moment, the price should reflect or very close to reflecting the news. So buy the rumor, sell the news. Another assumption is that the market repeats itself in patterns and fractals. We also have the trend is more likely to continue than to reverse. This is true on all time frames, but you're most likely best off trading on a higher time frame than a lower time frame, but I don't need to tell you that, right? And that momentum precedes price. And the tools for technical analysis. This is the fun part. We have candlestick patterns, hammers, dojis, candlestick formations. We have chart patterns, triangles, pennants, flags, head and shoulders, whatever you want. They look like this. There are many cheat sheets. But as you know, you need context to trade those, and that's where wave analysis comes in. And this is one of my favorite tools to trade, which you're going to see impulse waves, corrective waves. It's very easy. You just have to put the time into it. Support resistance, order block analysis. This is also very interesting and surprisingly works very well if you combine these things with Fibonacci levels. And you have your basic indicators and oscillators like volume, RSI, MACD, histogram, and my friend's indicator, the MTF multi-time frame stochastics RSI indicator, which you can see at the bottom of this picture here. You can trade on divergences, buy the bullish ones, sell the bearish ones. Higher time frame, the more consistent your profits will be. And you can copy others' techniques and make them your own. It's all about the way that make things comfortable for you. As you can see, this is a typical chart that that you'll see when I post some technical analysis. So basically, it comes down to matching up your own style and include some risk management into there, and you're going to be a successful trader. So ultimately, technical analysis requires no special knowledge of the stock, the finance sector, or the sector of business. Like you could trade Tesla without knowing it's owned by Elon Musk or even that it's an EV company. Or if you want to push it further, knowing that its earnings, the positive earnings that they get are highly dependent on regulatory cash credits. There you go. You could also trade the Russian ruble without knowing that Russia's at war with Ukraine right now and is the target of economic sanctions by NATO countries. How fun is that? By knowing these news events are factored into the price at a moment's notice, the price action will create a market condition for your trades using your preferred tools. So what this means basically is you'll be creating candle patterns, divergences, and Elliott waves that factor in these news. So if you go back and see the chart for when the war on Ukraine started, the price was adjusted very, very quickly in both crypto and traditional markets. That brings us to combining both technical and fundamental analysis. If you combine that with a strict risk management policy, you're essentially creating the perfect environment for trading. If you concentrate your learning abilities on technical analysis at first, which apply to all commodities, security, and tradable resources like crypto, forex, and even oil, corn, whatever you want. And if you contribute a small amount of fundamental analysis as you go on, that's going to strengthen your trading skills immeasurably. So come and join us. Come and learn with us at the Crypto Foundry. The link is right there. Floki out.